Hello, welcome to Hevlendordesign. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to apply this long or block shadow in Corel Draw. Okay, you can see I have a different variant here. Okay, something like this. The long or black shadow, it's an update, it's an event, a tool update from Corel Draw version 2019. Okay, so if you have previous version, I suggest you update so that you can be able to apply this shadow to your work to get this wonderful effect to get to work. So without any further delay, let's get to work. So just create a new page. All right, create a new page, pick the typeface, and we're going to be using the word "you can" if you think you can. Yes, this is sure an affirmative word, and trust me, you can if you think you can. So I'll just adjust this, my canning. Okay, you can see the way I did that with the shape tool. On any text, you can adjust the canning, the line space of the text. So I'll just select the line "if you," and I'll increase the font size. Okay, I think 72 is okay. I can make it 80 I just want it to align. Okay, then I'll do think. Yes, for you to actually become a creative designer, you need to think. Okay, so this is our text. Alignment, I can use a center alignment. Okay, so now by default, you're going to be seeing this shadow, the shadow tool on this effect. So look here, right here now, click on the flyout tool. That's the last effect that we have below here, the block shadow. So click on it with your text selected. You just click and drag over it. Have your text selected, click and drag. Okay, so this is what we have. All right, so now you can change the font color to white while we have the shadow to be black. You can as well change the color of this shadow to any color of your choice just by clicking on this small node. You can pick any color of your choice. Okay, you can pick any color of your choice. Close this up. So this is what we have. So to have it, you can get a rectangle or a square, any size of shape you prefer to put it in, and power clip. Go to effect, power clip. Right, see how that cuts out very well. So if I pick a background for this, see how nicely this turns out. Okay, so now I can actually reduce this and make a duplicate copy to have other variants. Now when you pick this tool on the property bar, you can see there are several options. I'd like you to take note of several options for this tool. I'd like you to take note of. All right, so this is the object size. All right, then the object depth. Okay, you can manually, when you are clicking and dragging, that you can decide the depth to what extent. If you have a specific measurement, you can enter that on this property bar. If you say I want it to have a depth of 90, so you can see that's exactly 90. All right, the same thing. Then the cell, you can set the direction, the angle to which you want it. This is on 320, so if I want it to be on 345 degrees, okay, if I want it to be on 45 degrees, okay, if you want it to be on 90, adjust this 90 degree, so let me do 45. So this is 90 degrees. All right, so if you wanted to be on 180, just playing around. I don't want this video to be very long, so but just to give you an idea of what the tools are meant for. So here on the property bar, you can see the color tool if you want to change. Then we have some functions here. Overprint block shadow, to set block shadow to print on top of the underlying object. Okay, so if you check this and you have the last one, to expand the block shadow, increase the size of the block shadow by a specific amount. Okay, so you can see now, see how beautiful this turns out to be. You can see how beautiful this turns out to be. All right, so you can have this variant, and I have one more to show you. And we will be done. I hope you are learning something new in this tutorial. If you find it interesting, give this video a thumbs up, like and share so that others can get the same value like you're doing right away. Okay, so the last I'm going to show you, so you have simplify. Okay, see how that's beautiful that looks. See this option, I love this simplify option. See how beautiful it looks. If you are increasing, you can increase these lines. Okay, and you have very nice effect. See how that looks so nice. Okay, the same thing. Which other one have I not showed you? Okay, expand the block shadow. So this is expanding the block shadow. This is the size. Then we have remove the hole. If you want to remove the holes, okay, when you play around with this, just let me know in the comment section anything you don't understand, or if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be right there to answer to your question. So I'll just power clip this into my frame to have that edge nicely cut out. So this is what we have. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.